What's happening, everyone? My name is Vijay Bose. Welcome to Let's Connect show on KONNECTiN. By the way, if you are new to this channel, a very warm welcome. And as usual, and please use the comment box to send any comments or your questions our way. All right, and we are excited to bring to you another video about DJI Ronin expansion base kit. That's a mouthful. This expansion base kit allows you to expand the capabilities of DJI RS2. By the way, DJI RS2 is a latest gimbal that DJI recently introduced in the market, and this expansion base kit only works with the DJI RS2. All right, and the question is that are you looking to expand the capabilities of RS2 or not? And if you are, and hang in there and actually watch the entire video, and we wanted to actually use this session to first take a look at the contents of this package, and then talk about it, and we will also show you how you can use the expansion base kit in one way. We may not be able to show you in every aspect of using this expansion base kit with the DJI RS2 in this video. All right. With that, let's get started. The first thing is let's actually do this one. There you go. This is the DJI Ronin expansion base kit. And this base kit, as you see on the outer packaging, it has got a handle. And it is a DJI, in terms, it is called a tethered handle. And it also has got a universal mount. It's called a battery adapter, an expansion port, and a base mount, and 3 types of cables that you can use with this expansion base kit. And obviously, it's got some screws and things like that. And this is actually a tethered solution only. That means it's a wired solution only. So if you're looking to expand the capabilities of RS2 in a truly wireless fashion, this may not be the solution that will help you do that. But this gives you some possibilities. And if you are just using DJI RS2 in a handheld mode, and that is only your application, then expansion base kit would be an overkill for your needs. But if you are looking to expand the RS2 capabilities, the DJI RS2 capabilities by helping you mount RS2 on different platforms like a car, or on a jib, or a crane, or on a slider, or on a cable cam, and this expansion base kit would be a welcoming addition to your kit, and that's going to help you expand the capabilities of DJI RS2. All right. So the first thing is actually we're going to unbox this. Actually, I don't want to show you the unboxing process, but we're going to show you the unboxed package and show the contents first, and then talk about it. And then we're going to come back again and show you how we can use that tethered handle that you see it on the package with the RS2. All right, so let's get started. All right, actually we opened the outer package. Now we have the package inside this. So, and I always love DJI's packaging, it's unique. Well, it comes with a manual. And let's actually remove this. It's a padding. Okay. So this is all you see. This is all you get. Okay. So this is the main guy. This is the most expensive part within this package. This is called tethered handle. So let's actually take it out. And this is the universal. So this is an external battery adapter, I guess. This external battery adapter see that? And okay, this is also this can yeah. So what this does is basically it expands the capabilities of the current, the battery grip that comes with RS2. You mount it on and you unhook the battery grip from the main unit, and then connect one of those cables to this guy, and this actually this will sit on top of that that battery grip, and connect the cable to this port to the RS2, and that way you can control the behavior of RS2 and several other functions that you would otherwise do with the battery grip, from a distance. So that is what this is for. And this is a NATO port that you connect to the NATO port of RS2, and then connect the cable to this to the handle. And this handle is a full-fledged handle. It has got everything that you would normally do with the battery grip. And there's a focus wheel here, so you can control either the focus or zoom. And obviously there's a central, there's a trigger here that you can actually bring the gimbal back to the right position. And obviously it can, this cable, this handle is also has got two NATO port on either sides, and it has got a sleep mode. And obviously it's got a joystick and a mode, and then obviously the record option, or you can actually start and stop the gimbal. And there is also an option here there is a, I think, what is this actually? Oh, there you go. There's a USB-C expansion here. So if you're mounting, I guess that USB-C, and if you can mount, maybe a monitor, or maybe maybe your phone, maybe. I think if you're mounting your phone on top of this, maybe that USB-C, if you connect to that, that'll give you an additional power to your phone, I guess. That's what it is. So we got to find out what that port is going to help us or not. All right. So that's about this guy, and I explained the use of this. And this is this is the guy that you would use if you are mounting it on top of. Let's see if we can really mount. Well, this is usually, I see that if you really want to mount it on a car, and this is the one that you mount it on top of the dampening plate, and then connect this guy on top of this, and then obviously RS2 will sit on this, and you can actually connect the RS2 using the cable to this either this handle or the battery grip, and that way you can expand the remote capabilities of DJI RS2. All right, so that's about it. And I don't know what is this for. This probably is. I don't know what is this for. Is it do something? Maybe you can. And I'll have to figure this out, what this is for. There you go. And it has got 3 different type of cables. This is the shortest one, and I guess. And what I've seen is this to that handle can also be connected to a dual handle system that the DJI has. It's called the twist grip dual handle system. So I think you can connect on the one end of that dual grip, you can connect to this handle, And using that cable, the shortest cable that you can connect to the RS2 and to this cable, to the handle. That way, you can control the behavior of RS2, using the side handle as well. So that is this for. And there is a long cable as well. I guess if you are mounting this on a jib or a crane, you need a lengthy cable. So that's why they are included in this one. And again, that also helps if you are mounting this on a car and you wanted a lengthy cable so that you can actually control by sitting inside the car. So that's about this guy. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to come back and see how we can actually use this handle with RS2. All right, hang in there. All right, so this is the DJI to that handle, and I connected this handle with RS2 through a cable and using this NATO port that comes in the package, the expansion pack, the expansion kit. And you have to make sure that this little guy has to line up properly with the port of RS2. Otherwise, you are not going to see any power coming through the cable to this handle. We struggled a little bit in the beginning, but we figured it out. So I just wanted to tell you that actually. So you got to make sure that the female pin, the male pin of that little NATO port or NATO expansion port has to line up properly with the female pin of RS2, so that and make sure that it is connected this way, and the cable the only way that you can connect is basically connect the cable on to the front. So you got to mount it like this, exactly like this. And once it is mounted, then you see that there's a sleep button here. Once you press once, you'll be able to see the green light flashing. You press hard enough, and then you actually this handle gets power, and it's ready for use. So now I can actually control using this joystick. Look at that. So this is possible, right? And I will be able to, I can also change the focus. You see that? I'm changing the focus of the lens. And then there's a central trigger here. I can double click. I can bring the gimbal back to the normal position. So it's a fantastic the piece of device from DJI. And again, the question again is now, is this a solution that's going to help you or not? Again, it depends on your needs. The only caveat with this tethered solution is a tethered. That means you have to run a cable. This is not a truly wireless solution. So that's the only caveat with this handle. Otherwise, it's a very versatile handle. It can do a lot of things, and you can use DJI RS2 in many configurations with this tethered solution. But if you are interested in truly wireless solution, then this DJI Ronin expansion kit may not be beneficial to you. And I'm going to show you another solution. And there's a company by name Tilta. So let's actually take a look at that. So Tilta has come up with lots of accessories for DJI RS2. And one of my favorite ones is actually rear operating handle for RS2. It's only going to cost $179, but that's a very versatile handle. If you are interested in getting this rear handle just for low angle shots and more versatile functions. And that particular one handle from Tilta can also control Tilta nano motor as well as Tilta nucleus M motor along with the DJI focus, So it's very versatile in its functionality. But the only caveat with that is you can only use it as a rear operating handle. Whereas the tethered handle from Expansion Kit, you can use it in many configurations. While RS2 is being mounted on a tripod or on a slider, jib or crane or on a cable cam. So there are many or on a car mount. So there are multitude of functions that you can actually multitude of capabilities are available to you, or multitude of functions are available to you at your disposal for your DJI RS2. And if you are interested in, if you are a commercial filmmaker, then if you're into car commercials, then you may want to look at this Tilta's Hydro Alien mounting solution. It's a very robust, more sophisticated mounting solution for DJI RS2. But it's a pricey one. It's going to cost about $1,000. But if you're a commercial filmmaker, I think you may want to look at that. And Tilta also has got dual handle power supply bracket, which is again it's more like a dual handle system, but it gives you a truly wireless power solution to DJI RS2, as well as you can also reuse your handle, the main handle that comes with the DJI RS2, and truly wireless. And on one side, you can also use this tethered handle too to control. So you have more power with this expansion kit, as well as some accessories from Tilta would help you a lot in many configurations. And the advanced ring grip for RS2 from Tilta is very, very advanced, and it comes with the 2 remote handles. And truly wireless solution if that's what you're looking for. Again, the ring setup is probably it's ideal for certain type of shooting, and you will be able to mount more accessories on the ring if you are into that type of shooting. And take a look at Tilta accessories again. Tilta is not sponsoring our video, so I'm not really promoting their products. But I think I think their products are more versatile. I don't think that any other companies out there is manufacturing this type of products for RS2. Anyway, that is all from us for today. I wish I could show you more usage of this tethered handle. Unfortunately, I don't have the dampening plate. That's something that actually we're going to invest in that. And once we get that, actually, I will be able to. I already have the car mount kit, not from Tilta, but actually it's another from other company, and that's also very robust and very sophisticated mounting kit from another company. And I'll be able to use this to their handle with that car mount solution, provided I should get that the dampening plate. Then I'll be able to demonstrate the usage of this to their handle in a car mount solution. And that's all I have for you for today. And if you like what we shared so far to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit that notification icon so that you will not miss any of our future content. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.